2021 Ford F-150 Raptor. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor takes the same approach as the standard F-150. It does not look all that different or more exciting than the truck that came before, regardless of whether you are studying it as physique or taking in the cabin. But more than even the bread and butter truck Ford based it on, the third-generation Raptor hides major innovations. The Blue Oval's high-performance pickup truck does not look dramatically different than the model it replaces, but the new design further emphasizes the truck's broadness of beam, and most importantly still looks badass. The Raptor also gets a redesigned rear suspension, a new 5-link coil spring setup that replaces the outgoing truck's leaf springs, plus larger internal bypass dampers. Combined with newly available 37-inch tires, this generation should be even more capable off-road. Inside, the Raptor inherits styling and features from the recently redesigned F-150. Highlights include a fully digital gauge cluster, a 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a shifter that folds flat into the center console. The harder core Raptor will be called the Raptor R. At this early stage there is no other information, but rumors have been flying far and wide about the truck wielding a version of the supercharged 5.2-liter V8. From the Mustang Shelby GT500, the Predator V8 develops 760 horsepower for the muscular pony car, and if Ford aims to battle the Ram TRX, the Raptor will need such a power infusion. Another possibility could be a boosted version of Ford's 7.3-liter pushrod V8. With its compact size and big power potential, it could be a surprise move from the Blue Oval. The 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor aims to fly higher, pound across the desert faster, and look meaner than its predecessor. This all-new, third-generation Raptor remains a bulkier body double of the regular F-150, which means they share technology and several innovative features. However, Ford high-performance pickup truck is also fitted with impressive off-road equipment, such as a sophisticated long-travel suspension, and available 37-inch all-terrain tires. Assisting the Raptor powerful twin-turbo V6, is a paddle-shifted 10-speed automatic transmission, and standard all-wheel drive. Though its engine should produce at least 450 horsepower, that is still relatively wimpy compared with the 702 horsepower Hellcat V8, in the Ram 1500 DRX. That is why Ford is developing an even more ferocious Raptor R, that should mark the return of a raucous V8 engine, that earns it entry into the 700 horsepower club. The new Raptor call will be all the stronger thanks to a new equal-length exhaust system. A trombone loop pairs with active valves, allowing the 3-inch pipe to produce more or less sound as needed. 4 distinct exhaust modes, Quiet, Normal, Sport, and Baja, should operate in the same manner as on the Mustang, changeable based on both the driver's preference, or the selected drive mode. Based on the samples Ford has released, this might be the first 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 that sounds good. For now, we know the 2021 F-150 Raptor takes an evolutionary step over the outgoing model. The twin-turbocharged V6 endures under the hood, presumably packing at least 450 horsepower though with the TRX, and its Hellcat V8 walking tall, a power boost from the Blue Oval seems not just logical, but necessary. Perhaps of greater news is the Raptor retuned 5-link suspension that offers gobs of travel. As for the V8-powered Raptor R, Ford tells us it will arrive in 2022, though we do not know if that is a debut date or an on-sale date. Ford has finally pulled the covers off the new generation F-150 Raptor. What do you think of 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.